Have you ever found yourself stuck in a frustrating situation where your video editing software is lagging, crashing, or just painfully slow when working with large, high-resolution video files? It's like trying to run a marathon while carrying a giant boulder on your back. But what if I told you there's a simple solution that can supercharge your editing workflow and turn that boulder into a feather? That solution, my friends, is called a proxy. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of proxies and how they can revolutionize your editing process, especially when working with Adobe Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve, or the Capcut PC version. For those new to the term, a proxy is a smaller, lower resolution copy of your original, high-quality video footage. Think of it as a lightweight double that steps in to do the heavy lifting during editing, while your original files stay safe and sound. But why would you want to use these proxies instead of just editing with your raw footage directly? Well, let me give you 3 compelling reasons. 1. Blazing fast performance. Proxy files are much smaller in size, which means they demand far less from your computer's processing power. This translates to smoother playback, faster rendering times, and no more hair-pulling moments when your software freezes or crashes. 2. Space-saving superheroes. Let's face it, raw 4K or even 8K video files can quickly devour your hard drive like a hungry hippo. Proxies, on the other hand, are lean and mean, freeing up precious storage space for your ever-growing project library. 3. Collaboration made easy. Need to share projects with a team or remote editors? Proxies make it a breeze. These lightweight files are a snap to transfer, ensuring everyone stays on the same page without the hassle of shifting gigantic raw files. Now that we've covered the why, let's dive into the how. The process of creating and using proxies is surprisingly simple, and most modern video editing software offers built-in proxy workflows. In Adobe Premiere Pro, for instance, you can generate proxies by right-clicking on your footage and selecting Create Proxy. Premiere will then transcode a smaller version of your clips, which you can toggle between during editing. Davinci Resolve takes a similar approach, providing a Create Proxy Media option in the media pool. You can even set up remote rendering and editing workflows using Resolve's collaboration tools. And for those of you rocking the Capcut PC version, fear not. This nifty software also supports proxy editing, allowing you to work seamlessly with those large video files captured on your camera. Okay, so you've breezed through your edit using those lightweight proxies. But what about the final render? No sweat. When you're ready to export your masterpiece, your video editing software will automatically relink to the original high-quality footage, ensuring your final product maintains that crisp, gorgeous quality you deserve. Alright, let's take a quick break from the technical talk and have a little fun. Imagine your video editing process is like baking a delicious cake. Your raw footage is the rich, high-quality ingredients, the eggs, flour, and butter. Proxies, on the other hand, are like a pre-mixed batter. Sure, it's not as fancy, but it's so much easier to work with while you're mixing, folding, and decorating. And when it's time to pop that cake in the oven, you simply replace the batter with the real deal, ensuring a mouth-watering final product. Using proxies is a game changer, but like any tool, it requires some best practices to truly unlock its potential. First and foremost, stay organized. Establish a clear naming convention for your proxy files, ensuring they match their corresponding original clips. This will make relinking a breeze during the final render. Secondly, experiment with different proxy settings to find the perfect balance between quality and performance for your specific hardware and workflow. And finally, don't be afraid to embrace proxies fully. The more you integrate them into your editing routine, the more time and frustration you'll save in the long run. So there you have it, editors. A comprehensive guide to the world of proxies and how they can elevate your video editing experience. Give proxies a try on your next project. Trust me, your computer and your sanity will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.